Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about.
Do you want to copy our most exclusive tutorials? Why not? Hospitality School offers you to get our 200 tutorials. Introducing 200 Hotel Management Training Tutorials. Here is what you will get through this 200 Hotel Management Training Tutorial Package. Total 200 Hotel Management Training Tutorials, with few bonus ones, combines with our published and new, never shed tutorials. 478-page full of useful hotel and restaurant management training materials. If you love this blog, then must collect our tutorials for further reading. Editable. You can copy and edit for your personal use. You can read in your computer, or mobile, or tabs, or print it out. This collection combines all types of tutorials and covers all hospitality segments. Highly recommended for hospitality management students and professional hoteliers. Available in both ebook and printed format.
Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button.
Why are you waiting? Grab your copy now. Download preview copy. Visit website www.hospitalityschool.com/training manuals/hotel management tutorials/. Visit our website hospitalityschool.com to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200 plus hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.